I love bowling. I have been bowling since I was 2 years old. I taught my husband and my three boys how to bowl, and we enjoy the sport of bowling together as a family. I grew up in a really small town of Cameron, Wyoming, where there wasn't a whole lot to do in the town. My parents were bowlers, and they joined a league, and they would bring my sister and I down to the bowling alley where I learned how to score and how to bowl. I was on lots of different junior leagues as a child, and when I got to college, I was on a college bowling team. When I was 18, I was able to bowl in an adult league with my mom. And when I got married, I found a bunch of friends that loved to bowl, so I started bowling a morning league with them. Wanted to get better, so I took some lessons, and I got my average up to about a 225. I started bowling in local and regional events, and that took me to state and national, and also some professional events where I started to make some money, and I got really excited about it. I got on a team USA Japan and bowled with them for 4 years, and I won the California State Tournament a few years ago. I'm training right now to participate in the US Open and the Women's Nationals in Reno this year. I have a bunch of great friends that like to travel with me and bowl in different competitions. I love being a junior coach. I've been a coach for the after-school bowling and the Learn to Bowl. And my boys are great bowlers. They have all won scholarships to college with their bowling. I have about 25 bowling balls in my garage, and my husband and I love to bowl in a league once a week. My high game is a 299, and I am hoping to eventually get that 300 one day. I'd like to share a picture of something else that I like to do. About 18 years ago, my husband and I got certified in scuba diving. We love traveling and finding cool stuff underwater. Some of the favorite things that I have found are turtles, sharks, lobsters, eels, rays. I'm hoping one day that I'll eventually see a whale shark or some dolphins. I live in California, so the water is cold, and I prefer diving in the warmer weather of the Caribbean, and our favorite is Cozumel. My three boys are also certified in scuba diving, and we love diving together as a family. I love a quote by President Uchtdorf that says, "Spend meaningful time with those you love. Let us resolve to cherish those we love by spending meaningful time with them, doing things together, and cultivating treasured memories." Bowling and scuba diving are only some of the things that my family loves to do together. When we're together, you can bet that we're either on the lanes or under the water doing what we love.